Hi friends, it's me, Mrs. McClure, and today we are going to start learning about spelling words. So in first grade, we have each week we will have a list of words that we have to be able to spell correctly. And so today I'm introducing you to the words that we are going to be spelling. And your job is to see if you can spell the words first, okay? On Friday, we're going to have a spelling test over these words. So each day we're going to do an activity with each of these, with our spelling words to help us learn our spelling words, okay? So I'm going to tell you the first word, okay? So if you have your dry erase marker and your dry erase board, this might be a good opportunity for you to practice writing and spelling the words with me, okay? So I'm going to say a word and I want to see if you can write the word. So if you have to, you can pause this video and grab the things that you need, and when you have those things, then you can come back. Okay? So the first word is caught. 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 How do you think you would spell the word caught? Go ahead and try to write the word caught on your dry erase board. Okay? So let's look first letter. What is the first letter in the word caught? The k sound, right? The letter C. So this is how we're going to spell the word caught. K, ah. What letter says ah? O, T. So this is how we spell the word caught. Okay? And a cot is kind of like a bed that somebody sleeps on. Cot. Cot. C-O-T. Good. If you spelled that word correctly, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Very good. All right, let's try another word. Ready? Got. I gave you a clue. Got. Try to write the word got on your dry erase board. Got. Got. Good. Let's check to see if you spelled it correctly. Got. Ought. Ready? G-O-T. Got. Like I got a cool present for my birthday. Got. Good. The next word is pot. 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 How do you think we spell the word pot? Go ahead and write that on your dry erase board. And then we're going to check it. Pot. Pot. All right, let's check it. P-O-T. And that is like a pot, right, that we cook with. A pot. 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 That is one of our spelling words. Pot. P-O-T. The next word. Not. Like I am not going to your house. Not. Go ahead and try to write that word on your dry erase board. Not. Okay, let's check it. So we start with the N. We've got O, T. T. N-O-T, the word not. Very good. That's one of our spelling words. All right, let's look at the next one. So those are the words with the short O, and then we've got two high frequency or sight words that we need to be able to spell correctly. And so this one is the word look. Like I look outside. How do we spell the word look. We're spelling it. Not only are we reading it, but now we're actually spelling those words. So go ahead and try to write the word look on your dry erase board. Okay, how do you think we write the word look? Let's check. L, O, O. Okay, that's how we spell the word look. Like I look in her direction. Look. Okay, remember how to spell it. And our last word is the word you, like you are my friend. How do you think we spell the word you? Go ahead and write it and let's see. Okay, let's check. Ready? Y, O, U. You. That is how we spell the word you. Y-O-U. Very good. So these are our spelling words. These are all the words that we got to be able to spell, and we're going to be tested over it on Friday. So this is just the introduction, and every day we're going to do a different activity, reviewing and practicing spelling our spelling words. Okay, so let's look at them real fast. We've got cot, C-O-T, got, G-O-T, pot, P-O-T, not, N-O-T, and then we've got the word look, L-O-O-K, and the word you, Y-O-U. Okay, so make sure you are looking and that you're practicing, you're working on memorizing how to spell these words, and we're working on reading these words, and I will see you guys later.